For the ingredients, we need 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 300 ml of condensed milk, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and a 1/4 cup granulated sugar, vanilla, and a baking powder. We'll put the egg. We will whisk the egg. So after the egg becomes foamy, we will add the granulated sugar. And then we will add the melted butter. We will add 300 ml of condensed milk. And then we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We will whisk again. So after all the ingredients that well blended, we will just set aside. And then I have a 1/2 cup of flour here, and then 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we will sift the flour and the baking powder here in the mixture. So what we'll do, we just do like this. And now we will add the desiccated coconut gradually. So now after we mix it, we will just cover with plastic wrap. So we will put this in the wrap for about 30 minutes. That way the coconut will soak in. Now, I think it's about 30 minutes, so we'll get our mixture, guys. Guys, for after 30 minutes. So guys, as you can see, I have a baking pan here. And what we need to do is we will put the baking cups into the moulder. Just like this. Just scoop. To 1/8 of a cup. We don't want to make it full also, just enough. So guys, we will bake this one for about 375 degrees in preheated oven in about 10 to 15 minutes. So, come on. Mmm, it's really good.
I wish Dad was here to try that.
Mmm.
He'd really like it, honey.
This is very recommended, guys. It's so soft in the middle. Mmm.
God, that's good.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.